So how do you apply lavender essential oil? We all know that lavender has awesome health benefits, but how do you actually apply the oil? So in this video, I'm going to be giving you a few tips on how to apply lavender. Coming up. Hey, what's up? Melinda here as the Oil Coach, bringing you tips, tricks, and ideas for using your essential oils so you can live healthier, happier lives. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. And hey, at any time during the video, feel free to check out the show notes and the links in the description below, where I will share some additional helpful resources. Now let's jump into the video. So first of all, there are three basic ways to use lavender essential oil. There's aromatically, topically, and internally. Those all probably sound pretty basic to you, but I'll go over each one of them a little bit deeper. First up, we have aromatically. We're all familiar with this one, even if we've never heard the term. Aromatically is simply referring to breathing in or smelling the essential oil. So this can be straight out of the bottle, or it can mean diffusing lavender to get its aromatic benefits such as calming, stress relief, etc. Okay? Now, second, we have topically. This one we're also familiar with. This is where we apply the lavender to our skin, whether it's diluted or with a lotion or a coconut oil, etc., or else just using the straight lavender essential oil. And third is internally or orally. This means taking a drop of essential oil, for example, in a glass of water, dropping a drop under your tongue, or putting a couple drops in a veggie capsule and taking it that way. Now, a caution with this, make sure you're using very pure quality lavender if you want to use it internally. If the bottle you're using has the supplement facts label on the bottle, then you are good to go, okay? But if not, I would not recommend taking it internally. So when would you want to use lavender each different way? For things like calming, reducing anxious feelings, for a sleep aid, hay fever, etc., you would want to put a drop or two in your palms and breathe it in deeply, okay? For things like bee stings, insect bites, minor cuts or burns, dry or chapped skin, or other skin concerns, you would want to apply lavender essential oil topically to the area of concern. Now, for things like queasiness in the car or seasonal allergies, etc., you would want to drop a drop of lavender on or under the tongue. Just remember to make sure your specific lavender oil is safe to take internally. All right, I hope you got some great value out of this video and that you will feel confident applying your lavender essential oil. And actually, if you're brand new to essential oils and would like to try out one of my favorite oils, go to theoilcoach.net. Okay, it's right here on the screen. Or check out the link in the description below where you can get one of my favorite essential oils for free. All you have to do is pay the small shipping and handling fee, and I'll get that right out to you. All right, so question of the day. What is your favorite way to apply lavender essential oil? So let me know in the comment sections below. So thanks for checking out this video. Subscribe and ring the bell if you haven't yet. And if you want to check out other videos in my lavender tip series, just click or tap the screen right there. For another video from the Oil Coach, click or tap the screen right there. Until next time, here at the Oil Coach, we're bringing you the best tips, tricks, and ideas for using your essential oils so you can live healthier, happier lives. Take care, and we will talk soon.